This is a Jets GPS Fleet Solutions client tutorial on the Jets GPS Fleet Tracker system. This is how to pull historical footage off your cameras. With all the vehicle camera systems, the ignitions need to be on for you to be able to access the DVR. You select the vehicle that you want. You can go into trip history, select the journey that you want. Can then move it into trip history so you can really drill down. Get to the bit of footage that you want. You select it and then request video. Again, you'd select the cameras that you want, how long you want the footage for. Click on OK, and that's going to start downloading. It'll go in the same place as if you're pulling it from the vehicle there and then. So if you go back to your fleet, click on videos, and that's the one there. So that's starting to download now. Okay, that's that video downloaded now. So you just click on it, and there you go.